When it's time to book a lesson, click on the Lessons button and select the type of lesson that you would like to book. Go to our booking page and click Redeem Coupon. Next, enter your email address. This is the same one that you always use for booking. Click Apply. And now you can see there's $15 left on my account. Next, I'll scroll down and book the lessons like I usually would. Now I scroll down to the bottom and I can see my email address is already entered. Click Pay Now. In the checkout I can see that I'll only be billed $20. The rest is covered by the coupon. I hope this makes it easier. Feel free to reach out if you need help. Otherwise, enjoy your lessons.